Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can transfer contacts from Phonebook to Gmail account on your Android. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, also put your likes, write comments after watching. And let us get started with you. So friends, first of all open the app before calls and live contacts on your device. Next, at the top, tap on the gear here to come to settings, and here find the option to import or export contacts. Then at the bottom, click on Export Contacts and now select the Export as VIST file option here. Next, see, you can either save your contacts directly to wherever you are offered in downloads, let's say some, or you can open any folder you want. In order to transfer contacts, you can also create a new folder, for example, sign it as contacts. Next, click OK, and now click Save. So friends, you will start exporting or transferring your contacts to your Gmail account. This is the way, quick and not easy you can transfer your contacts from Phonebook to Gmail account on your Android. I hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Please put your likes, write comments under the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.